Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create a CapCut template. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and start our video. For the matter, you first have to access your CapCut. So here in the template section you can find this templates for you to try on, but you do not have any of the options where you're gonna go ahead upload of yours. Even if you go to me section, you do not have any of the templates which allows for you to upload it or create it, right? So for that purpose, what you have to do, you can see the option called trending creators, right? So you have to be a creator for if you want to create a template. So for that matter, you're gonna go access your browser, and then here in this search section you're gonna tap on it and type in CapCut creator account, and this will simply access the official website of CapCut's creator, where you're gonna go ahead find this option called go ahead tap on it. And this link is only available for some, so if it's available for you, you can access it simply like that, and then it will show you this a form to fill in up, where you're gonna go ahead fill up with your qualification, and then you will apply for the creator's position on CapCut itself. And once they have confirmed it you to do so, you will be able to get yourself an account as a creator. Then afterwards you can again go ahead access your CapCut as you would like, and here in the edit section tap on this new project. So let's say we have one video we have added, and once you have added everything, here in this export section, while it's being exported, you will find this option called upload as a template here in CapCut. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to upload a particular template right there in CapCut like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.